Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Realio Network token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Realio Network RIO is a decentralized layer 1 blockchain ecosystem designed to tokenize and manage real world assets RWAs like real estate and private equity, merging regulatory compliance with decentralized finance DeFi purpose. It is an end-to-end SaaS platform for issuing, investing in the managing compliant digital securities and RWAs technology. Built as a multi-chain Cosmos SDK-based blockchain, it interoperates with EVM and non-EVM chain for boards, assets compatibility, token utility. The native RIO token facilitates network governance, staking for security, and access to platform utilities. Realio Network project institution rating is 4. Realio Network token total supply is 144.64 million and circulating supply is also 144.64 million RIO token. RIO token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.